These are 3 must-have items as a basketball trainer. Today we have 3 items: the high-impact blocking pad, the Pro Pop-Up Defender, and the Extra Man Dummy. So let's unbox, assemble, and test these bad boys out. Shout out to GoSports for sending these products over for review. The first thing we have is the high-impact blocking pad. This heavy-duty blocking pad is 24 by 16 inches and is used to safely simulate contact drills in a variety of sports. I like to use this for contact finishes for layups. It also features 5 reinforced handles for superior comfort and control. The next product we have is the Extra Man Pro Pop-Up Defender. These pop-up defenders come in a 3-pack and they stand at 46 inches tall and 20 inches wide. They also come with 3 9-pound weights to hold them down and a carrying case. These things are extremely easy to set up, and I like to use these to replace my cones. They're made of a thick, robust polyester and steel wire to withstand countless drills season after season, safely simulating opposing defenders for next-level training. And the last thing on the list is the Extra Man Basketball Defender. This Extra Man Defender ensures that players elevate on their jump shot. It can be used to simulate contested finishes or contested jump shots. I think it's ideal for young kids who need to work on their form and making sure they get the ball up and over the defender. I would set aside at least 20 minutes before your training session to ensure that all these products are ready to go. All of them are pretty simple to set up, the longest one being the Extra Man stand-in. Right now I have the pop-up defender set up, and I like to use these wherever I would put a cone. So I have them both at the elbow right now, and I'm gonna show you the rip-through into a jump stop for a floater. Like I mentioned before, the pop-up defenders are perfect to replace your cones. As you can see, I'm gonna go through each defender with a between the legs cross and then pull up on the right elbow, right where that Extra Man Dummy is waiting for me. And that's gonna work on my arc and making sure I get my shot up and over the defender. Let's see how it looks. Another way I like to use the Extra Man Dummy is to work on my form shooting. So right now I have him underneath the basket, and usually what I would do is set him up right there and have the kids set up and work on their form shooting with a high arcing shot. There's a ton of creative ways that you can use your Extra Man Dummy to simulate the defense. Another way I like to use this, man, is to put him at the free throw line and give my kids a challenge when shooting free throws. Lastly, we have the high-impact blocking pad, which is perfect to simulate contact finishes. And I have my helper right here. She's gonna demonstrate how you can use this with your kids. Those were a couple of ways that you can use these items in your everyday training. Shout out GoSports for sending these over for review. Make sure you guys click the link in the description so you guys can pick these up, and also check their website out. They make products for all sports. Now let's see how quick we can break this down and head home. The number one thing I've realized with using these outdoors is that the wind will definitely affect them. The pop-up defenders continuously fell, even with the 9-pound weights, and you could even see it in the background. Besides that, I just had to keep standing them up and they worked perfectly. Also, surprisingly, the pop-up defenders were easy to set up, but kind of difficult to break down, opposed to the stand-in defender, which was hard to set up and easy to break down. So overall, you need about 20 minutes or so to finish this breakdown process. Overall, I love the products and I've been getting a lot of compliments from the parents and clients who love to use these in everyday training. So I definitely think you guys should check out playgosports.com and pick these up. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys ever use these products from Play Go Sports, or if you guys recommend any other products they may offer. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Click the link in the description to check out these products, and I'll see you guys next time.